Hi students. So welcome to this second module on transaction analysis. In the first module, we understood the communication model that is there in the organization. So how this communication happens in the entire flow of the organization system. The importance of the verbal and non-verbal communication in an individual, right? So which one is most important when it comes to the effectiveness of communications? So we have seen the model, right? So we understood the importance of communication, especially from the verbal and non-verbal point of view. So in continuation of this idea, so let us now look at the Eric Bernie's the transactions. So the transactions model, so that he just developed to understand the people behavior at workplace. So in view of this, this model is meant for understanding the communication the system, that means the transactions between the two individuals, and how to understand their behavior so through their the transactions. So before that, now let us just look at understanding who is Eric Berne. So Eric Berne, of course, he proposed transaction analysis. It is actually a social psychology area developed by Eric Berne, and so this man, of course, passed away in 1970. So over the past 4 decades or more than that, Eric Bernie's theory has evolved to include applications to psychotherapy, counseling, education, and organizational development. So in all these aspects, this the trash analysis is extensively used for resolving the issues of socio-psychological aspects of individual behavior. So in that context, if you just see the transactional analysis, TA in short term it is called. So transactions refers to the communication exchanges between people, right? So transaction analysis are trained to recognize which ego state people are transacting from and to follow the transactional sequences so they can intervene and then improve their quality and effectiveness of communications. So that means, so the transaction analysis helps us to understand from which ego state we are conversating with others, and how is our communication, and where we need to improve the quality of the communication for its effectiveness. So in that context, so this the transaction analysis is very useful. So the TA is a method of understanding communication between people and a system of analyzing and understanding the human relations. So human relations, no, the development that happens at the match of their ego states in their conversations. So if there is a match in the ego states through their conversation, so you will find the development of relations among individuals. Right. If you just look at the transaction, so what is this transaction is all about? According to TA, a transaction is a stimulus plus a response, right? So for example, if you say to one of your student, so you really did a good job on that project. So this is a kind of a stimulus from the side of no, the teacher. Teacher was stimulated to appreciate the student by saying that you have done a good job and your project is so good. And he says that the response from the student, thanks, thank you. So thus the transaction takes place between the people. So you find in the communication, so between the teacher and student, so there is a stimulation and then response. So the transaction happens between both of them. When you look at the transaction analysis also involves the identification of the ego states behind each and every transactions, because Bernie defines that an ego state as a consistent pattern of feelings and experience directly related to a corresponding consistent pattern of behavior. So because when you want to convey something to others, so you just feel that you are conveying that message so through some ego state. So whatever that you are conveying through your transactions, so that is coming from a particular ego state. So we need to understand what is that ego state, right? So let me stop here. So we just know further we explore the transactions. So from different ego states point of view. So what are the different ego states and what are the different types of the transactions? We'll explore those in the next module. Right? Thank you very much. Looking forward to meet you again.